Hi guys! For today's video, we're going to do unboxing. But before that, let's drink coffee. Coffee is life. Anyway, before I do unboxing, to those who are new to my channel, please do subscribe and click the notification bell so you will be updated to all the videos that I'm going to share. So without further ado, I'm so excited. This is unboxing of my early birthday gift from Anva, and this is inside this box. But the backstory of this is that me and Anva agreed that we're going to buy in 360 camera, something like that, or action camera, not the 360 Insta 360 times 3 or x3, and that cost around 5 or almost 6K. But I was surprised because he bought me this. Anyway, it was just a plan. And Anva said he's thinking more of my health and of myself because I always have, pain on my foot and on my toes. It's because I don't find the correct size of shoes, because my shoes actually, or my feet are small or short, but then the front is quite wide. So yeah, this is a typical Asian foot. And yeah, and I feel so bad somehow if I have pain in my heart. It's not because I don't like the gift. The gift is so nice. As you can see, it's about the foot. Of course, it's the shoes, and it's only that I find it crazy expensive. I do have a lot of shoes. I do have a lot of jogging shoes, but it's only that I like white, and I'm thinking I'm walking most of the time and I'm going back to work again. So I did something, shoes that can give me, or give me a better support on my legs. So this is Asics. There's a logo of Asics. And it's called Gel-Kayano 31 in a cool matcha light celadon color. It's US size 7, size 38 in European size, or UK it's 36, or it's 5 size, British 36, or normal. I do use most of the time. It depends on the design of the shoes, but this shoes is my size. Of course, this is 7 or 36 or size 5 UK. And ta-da-da! Without further ado, this is the best gift, and I'm going to show you here why we bought, or why Anva bought this for me. So, and of course, that's the color. It's a 4D guidance system shoes, and the reason why I like, or Anva bought this one, is the toe support. Of course, he asked for the information on what's the best, because when he went to the shop, he asked what is the best running shoes, and it's also good for walking. Foot, especially when you're springing, because normally we do have, I think most of Asian people, our foot is flat, but here in the European foot is have like a hollow in the mid, or under, there's a hollow, and we don't have that, or most of the Asian people don't have that. We only have flat, because since we're young, we're walking barefoot. And I don't know, maybe it's because also we don't think about it. We only, we buying shoes without thinking the best support. We just buy the shoes because of the brand mostly. But this time, this is Asics, and the price was 2,299 kroner, and then just convert it into Philippine money, or in your money, because then that's how much the price is. And the other one is here. Let's close this one, because on Sunday we're going to the west part of Norway, and we're going to this family. And look at this, really nice shoes, and very light, but the support here is very good, and also it is the inside part of the shoes is it's sewn correctly. As you can see, you can take this out, and inside, I don't know, but I can zoom it. Inside this is so. Then it means it's a strong type of shoes and clean and new. Because normally, right, in Philippines or somehow, I don't know, this you buy separately. But here it comes with it already. And we're going to try it on my feet. Okay, let's open. Of course, there's still a tag. Open it. And then I'm going to wear it. Let's put it back first. Okay. And this is very easy because they showed me how to wear the shoes properly. You should always open the shoelace and then hold this one here and then put your feet on just one pull. It will go in already. Make sure that you open the shoelace. And then when you take it out, also always open the shoelace because normally people are lazy just to take it out and in without even thinking of losing up the shoelace. So let's do. I have to stand and going to to wear the shoes. Guys, let's do wear my shoes. Hold this and then pull. That's what they said. And look at that, how nice it is on my feet, and the color itself is so amazing. And already, what shoes is this? And this is what I'm talking about. Here is white, and then better tighten. Better tightness here, and then there's a space because my leg for my foot near my toes is white, and here is just perfect. And they always said when you wear or when you say that's my toes, and always they said when you buy shoes, always test if you can put always one finger in here. If you can put one finger inside, it means that without hurting yourself, it means that fit is perfect. And then here you're going to the next one is, of course, let's take away the back. Don't you worry. And then the next one is also loosen up the shoelace. And then put in, and then we'll hold this one and pull. There you go, perfectly. It fits perfectly on my feet. And let's tighten it up. Of course. Perfect. Nice. And it's like, oh my goodness. It's really nice. Nice. Alba. Nice. Ooh. I like it. Yeah, and yeah. I like it. So, and we're going to wear it later. And Bastard he wants me to try it on our walking or training later. I like it. It's breathable here, and it's a nice grip at the back, and the spring, and it's soft, light, and nice for the guidance system. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye. Nice. Like it.